Welcome to All Things Maintenance. Today we're discussing motor oil with one of our maintenance technicians, Drew. What exactly does motor oil do for your vehicle and why is it important?
Yes, so motor oil is very important for your vehicle because it lubricates the moving parts of your engine, keeps everything cool, reduces friction, overall reduces engine wear.
How often should you get your oil changed, and is there any difference between conventional and synthetic?
Yeah, so when running conventional oil, I would recommend that you change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. And with synthetic oil, we usually recommend around 10,000 miles. There is a difference between synthetic and conventional. Synthetic is a lot better for your engine, um, will last a lot longer than conventional oil. But make sure you look up what your car takes and come to us if you have any questions.
So what are the consequences if you don't change your oil regularly?
Yeah, if you don't change your oil regularly, that oil is going to break down and build up into a sludge, which is going to be really hard for your engine to move through. It's going to cause a lot of extra friction and could cause some serious expensive repairs down the road.
Here at Toyota of Warsaw, we're here to help you with all of your maintenance needs. Call or visit our website to schedule an appointment.